Top 7 Best Camping Saws. And one of them is a camping saw. Cutting up firewood or anything else with a full-size saw. Number 7 SOS Gear Pocket Camping Saw, effective at getting you that firewood time and time again. This product comes in 3 different buying options of either 24 inches, 36 or 48, so you'll be able to find the perfect size for you. The chainsaw has carbon steel teeth so you know that it will remain very strong. 3 size options. Carbon steel teeth. Highly durable. Number 6 TABOR Tools T6 Camping Saw. Tools, and it actually comes in 2 different buying options, as you can get it with a curved blade or you can get it with a straight blade. That blade is 8 inches long and will be great for cutting through thick branches. The product is lightweight so it will be able to easily fit into your backpack along. Can buy either a straight or curved blade. Light in weight. Non-slip grip. Number 5 FLORA Guard Folding Saws out there, and another which has a long list of great reviews from those who have used it. It is also available in a few color options, as you can buy it with either a red or a green handle. This will be able to cut through large tree branches with ease so that you can create a roaring fire for camp. Different color options. Blade is 7.7 inches long. Comfortable handle. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Camping Saws or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4 Sportsman Pocket Camping Saw. Another solution to the problem of needing to cut when you're out there camping is to get a manual chainsaw. The sharp teeth of this chainsaw will be able to easily cut through a vast range of different branch and tree lengths and is made from high carbon heat treated steel. The saw comes with rugged handles. 36-inch chain. Tough and durable. Free fire starter. Number 3 Home Planet Gear EverSaw. Home Planet Gear have produced a saw that not only performs great but it looks great too. They back up the build quality of the saw by offering a lifetime warranty on it, so you know that you're getting a well-made product and have that peace of mind if it fails. The blade is 8 inches long with triple cut razor teeth which have been hardened. Great design. 8-inch blade. Hardened teeth. Number 2 Corona RazorTOOTH Folding, which has very hard teeth, and will be able to produce a quick and clean cut every time. It actually comes in a few different buying options, as you can buy it as a 7, 8 or 10-inch saw depending on your own needs. It features an ergonomically designed handle to make the cutting process as easy. Ergonomic handle. Hardened teeth. Available in different sizes. Number 1 Bahco 396 Laplander Folding, also a saw that is able to give you a great degree of cutting action with its sharp teeth. The blade of the saw is 7.5 inches long and has 7 teeth per inch, so it will give you great results, and very quickly too. The saw is great for cutting through dry wood. 7.5-inch blade. Rust resistant. Produces low friction. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Camping Saws or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.